Let's create a fully custom business sign. Watch as the laser head moves with absolute accuracy, following every vector line of the design. The CO2 laser slices effortlessly through 1/4 inch wood, delivering clean-cut edges, intricate lettering, sharp corners, fine logo detail. A BossLaser machine can handle it all in a single pass, delivering consistent, production-ready results every time. We'll add a light strip to create a backlit effect. Interested in owning your own BossLaser machine? Set up a free, in-person, or virtual demo today and see the power for yourself.